So to help grow our chapter at the University of Winnipeg, both in membership as well as presence on campus and in the community, by fundraising and applying for grants. This will also allow us to send members to participate in more ACES events.
Assist Indigenous people in university to feel that they can be Indigenous and scholars, because we've always been scholars, we've always been scientists.
So offer our services as a chapter to volunteer opportunities and be visible to the community as Indigenous people thriving in STEM. In doing so, we can help inspire the next generation of Indigenous youth to provide students with volunteer experiences that help them connect with their community.
Winning Chapter of the Year will help support us to achieve these goals by providing evidence of our success as a chapter to university and faculty members.
This will also help strengthen the already growing Canadian presence in ACES and put Winnipeg on the map as a thriving Indigenous community where many different identities and cultures work together to empower our youth.